Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you once again with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got something from Thailand. This came directly from them. This is Yum Yums. Check that out. The brand is Yum Yum, and as you'll see here, you can only get this one. Where are you? Isn't it on here? Oh, well, hold on. Dude, where is it? Where was like the cool part of this? It's on here. I know it's on here. Yeah, right here. You can only get it in 7-Eleven in Thailand. And I'll tell you what, 7-Eleven in Thailand is rad. Anyways, this is Tom Yum chicken. Yeah. Yum Yum instant cup noodles. Tom Yum chicken super flavor Tom Yum. Super flavor. I hope you're ready, because this is like epic. Anything that's called super flavor, that gets my hackles up right away. So let's pour this in here and give it 3 minutes. There we go. Now throw this on top. So what was I talking about? Oh yeah, so people saying like clever things that aren't so clever. Somebody was like complaining, there's crap on the lens of your camera. How can you just like do this and let it go and call it good? It's like, that's the show. If I make a mistake, you're gonna see it. And I know you all have fond feelings for me and know in your hearts that I am absolutely perfect. I never make mistakes. If you follow my blog, you've seen a lot of errors. I probably have like enormous boogers hanging out of my nose and my ass crack hanging out on 90% of these episodes. I'm sorry. I make mistakes. I'm legally blind and I've got a lot on my plate. So if that's just too much for you, don't freaking watch, dude. Anyways. Yeah, we were going to go on our walk this morning, but it was 25 degrees at 8 a.m. It's just like, man, I mean, I can't take my daughter out in that. I mean, I'm walking. I can handle it. I'm huffing and puffing a little bit. I like to walk really fast, you know, but she's just sitting there. I mean, imagine just sitting in a chair. I don't care how warm you are. At 25 degrees, you're going to be cold pretty quick. So my wife and I are going to take the kids and go on a nice long walk tonight and then do a bunch of grocery shopping and then come home and then eat dinner and go to sleep and wake up, and it's probably going to be like 26 degrees tomorrow morning, and try to do the same thing in the afternoon. So we'll see. I don't know, I just really like playing that Bluetooth speaker ultra loud in the morning. Walking around town. It's nice. It's liberating. It reminds me of the old days when I used to have a mountain bike that I had a boombox on. God. Big thanks. Huge shout out to my mom for buying all the the D batteries that my stereo required, because it was ridiculous. I think that thing ran on 8 Ds, and I mean, now they're expensive. I mean, if you got Amazon, you can get them pretty cheap on Prime, which is nice, but if you don't, if you go to like the grocery store and try to buy 8D batteries, you're gonna be in it for like 20 bucks, I swear to God. Now they've got, like the one that I've got, boombox, has 25 watts of power. The bass is like amazing, and it's rechargeable, and it's supposed to stay running for I think it's supposed to run for like 18 hours before pooping out, which is insanity. It's like, why didn't they have that when I was riding around Anacortes with a boombox on my bike? Sheesh. Props to Anacortes. A-Town. Represent. 98221. Here's Here's our super chicken. That was the thing about this too. It's like, I never watched that cartoon. Apparently there was a cartoon called Super Chicken. But, I don't know if it's America's Most Wanted or Predator. I bet it's Predator. Ice Cube album called Predator. He's up there looking like Super Chicken. It's like, Super Chicken. Yeah. So yeah, Thai instant noodles immediately making me think of Ice Cube. Which I did also play on my mountain bike often. Let's give this a try. Okay. Noodles are your standard Thai. Thin. Not too bulky. Here's our broth situation. I don't know, I'm just getting kind of a tom yum out of that. No offense to the yum yum folks, but that's kind of just what I get. Oh! Yeah, I was thinking about something else and then didn't do what I was planning on doing. So, I was asked by, there's a guy who comments all the time. His name is first name, last name. How you doing? Anyways, he comments all the time, and he had a question the other day, and it was a good one. It's like, why do you pour a cup noodle into the pot and then back into a bowl? And the main reason for that is this one has drain spouts on it, and it's more, I have way more control over it. The one thing I try not to do is get like on the edges here. A lot of the varieties that I do are really oily, and I try not to get all that oil up on the edge, because if I do, then you see it in the shots and it just doesn't look all that great. So there's some mung bean sprout. We got some chickeny looking chicken. This is store-bought. I forgot to get chickeny looking real chicken. Or actually, I didn't really forget, but when we went to the store yesterday, the real chickeny chicken was like $3.65 a pound. I'm sorry, but if I'm like taking pictures of this and mostly chucking most of it, it's $1.99 a pound Walmart chicken. I'm sorry, but there's just no point in spending all that money on it. But anyways, yeah. How's that look? Good? Oh, I forgot to do the spinny spin on the last one. I'll do a spin on this one. Oh, yeah. Shouldn't we do some kind of spicy red looking sauce? I think we should. Hold on. Alright, I got some Dua Belibas here. This is Indonesian, it's not Thai. So if you're Thai and you frown upon this, I really apologize, but I'm a really big fan. Good enough. What really blows is I absolutely love this stuff, but it gives me the... I mean, just sniffing it, I feel like I'm going to get heartburn, I swear. And I don't get heartburn from much. A lot of sugar, a lot of pepperiness. Anyways, yeah, if you are in Thailand and you're at 7-Eleven and you see a cup with this lid on it, and you like tom yum, get it. Get some of that chicken that's wrapped in the little banana leaves, you know? Slap that in it. Yeah. God, Thai food in Thailand is so good. Oh my God. All right, have a good one. Bye. Wow.